6th Prime Minister of Malaysia, Deputy Prime Minister of Malaysia. Cabinet's political affiliations. Foreign Policy Family. Tan Sri Dato' Haji Muhyiddin bin Md. Yassin is a Malaysian politician who has served as the 8th Prime Minister of Malaysia since 1 March 2020. He served as the 10th Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Home Affairs and in many other cabinet positions under former Prime Ministers Abdullah Ahmad Badawi, Najib Razak and Mahathir Mohamad, from May 1995 to February 2020. During the 2020-21 Malaysian political crisis, Mahathir's abrupt resignation on 24 February 2020 led to Muhyiddin being declared Prime Minister by the Yang di-Pertuan Agong on 29 February 2020. He was formally appointed and sworn in on 1 March 2020, and shortly afterwards directed Malaysia's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Muhyiddin grew up in the state of Johor and joined the state public service after graduating from University of Malaya. He assumed the management positions at various state-owned companies. In 1978, he was elected as the MP for Pagoh. During his term as the MP, he was appointed Parliamentary Secretary to the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Deputy Minister of Federal Territories and later Deputy Minister of Trade and Industry. As the Johor UMNO chief, he was the state's main Teri Baser from 1986 to 1995. He returned to federal politics in 1995. He was appointed to the cabinet as Minister of Youth and Sports. He was appointed Minister of Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs after the 1999 general election, and became a Vice President of UMNO in 2000. Under the premiership of Abdullah Ahmad Badawi, Muhyiddin served as Minister of Agriculture and Agro-Based Industry from 2004 to 2008. And then as Minister of International Trade and Industry from 2008 to 2009. In 2008, he contested and won the UMNO Deputy Presidency and was appointed Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Education by Prime Minister Najib Razak in 2009. As Minister of Education, Muhyiddin ended the use of English as the medium of instruction for science and mathematics in public schools. He also attracted controversy after describing himself as Malay First, when challenged by the opposition to pronounce himself as Malaysian First. Muhyiddin was critical of his government and party over the 1MDB scandal. As a result, he was dropped from his position during Najib's mid-term cabinet reshuffle in July 2015, marking the first incumbent to be left out. In June 2016, he was expelled from UMNO. He founded the political party Malaysian United Indigenous Party in 2016. Subsequently, he returned to the cabinet after his coalition of parties Pakatan Harapan won the 2018 Malaysian general election. In February 2020, Bersatu left Pakatan Harapan, which culminated in a political crisis as the coalition lost its majority in the Dewan Rakyat. Muhyiddin successfully formed new coalition Perikatan Nasional by receiving support from enough MPs to form a majority government and was appointed Prime Minister on 1 March. The political crisis has remained ongoing throughout his premiership. Much of his tenure has been overseeing Malaysia's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, including enacting several iterations of the Movement Control Order, a vaccination program and declaring a 2021 state of emergency, where parliament and elections were suspended. Although his government's initial response was praised by the WHO and had high local approval ratings, the worsening of the COVID-19 crisis in 2021 has attracted criticism, including from major coalition party UMNO, which withdrew its support and called for Muhyiddin's resignation in July. Muhyiddin was born as Muhyiddin bin Md. Yassin in Muar, Johor, Malaysia. His father, Haji Muhammad Yassin bin Muhammad, was a Malay of Bugis descent. Muhammad Yassin was an Islamic theologian and cleric based in Bandar Maharani, Muar, Johor, while his mother, Hajjah Khadia binti Qasim, was a Malay of Javanese descent. Muhyiddin received his primary education at Sekolah Kebangsaan Maharani, Muar, Johor, and Sekolah Kebangsaan Ismail, Muar, Johor. He received his secondary education at the Moor High School, Johor. Subsequently, he attended the University of Malaya, Kuala Lumpur. He received Bachelor of Arts in Economics and Malay Studies in 1971. After completing his studies, Mahyuddin joined the Johor State Public Service as the Assistant Secretary of Training and Scholarship. In 1974, he was appointed the Assistant District Officer, Equity Mal and SGS Atis SDNBHD as Human Resources Manager. Muhyiddin's involvement in politics began when he joined UMNO as an ordinary member at the Pagoh Division in 1971. He was elected as UMNO Youth Chief of the Pagoh Division and the Secretary in 1976. Later he became Youth Chief of Johor State UMNO Youth until 1987. Mahyuddin occupied the seats of Exco in the National Malaysia UMNO Youth. In 1984, Mahyuddin was elected the UMNO Division Chief of Pagoh, replacing Othman Saad. Mahyuddin rose the ranks and